Daily English conversations about life and work. Newlyweds. Doesn't cook so well, but all of us can see that she's a wonderful woman. I mean, she literally cannot cook. She doesn't know how to turn on the cooker or make toast without burning it. Whenever she tries to do something, they're all inedible. But you love Jessie, right? Maybe you can teach her to cook. Take it slow, man. Why do I need to teach her? That's a woman's job. Newlyweds, Part 2.
Jessie, I'm here. Oh my sweetie, what have you been up to lately with your new family?
Gosh, I'm kinda regretful now.
What's the matter, bae?
My husband, Will, he's a real klutz.
What do you mean by klutz?
Well, currently we are living in an old house with